Come on. Come on. Come on, get in there. Come on. Come on. Birds have been flying for 2 hours and 15 minutes right now. I'm trying to get them to come in. They're, here they come. Here comes a few. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Get inside. I haven't cut their feed down yet. Next week I'll start cutting their feed, but they're trapping good. Once they get home here, they're trapping good, especially after 2 hours and 15 minutes. And there they go. Come on. Ooh. Come on. They're all down here eating. Act like they're starving to death. Come on. That's the first time they've flown an extra 15 minutes. They usually fly around hour 45 to 2 hours. But I kept them up an extra 15 minutes. But doesn't hurt them. Then I always have probably 6 or 7 that'll fly another 15 minutes. Seems like they're the same ones every time. Let's see if you can see them. Here they are. Yeah, these are the same ones every day. They're the last ones to land. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dive, dive. Come on. Yeah, these late ones don't get the peanut. Maybe they'll be my best birds at the 300 if I don't think we even have a 300 this year. I think we only go to 250, but we'll see how they do. Oh, they're still dropping in. Come on. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. Get in there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, they got a good appetite, that's for darn sure. That little hen right here, this little, she hit a wire or something, split her bottom beak. I mean, it's just like somebody took a knife and cut it. Well, they super glued it back together and it's doing good. She's eating good. Come on. Yeah, there's still 4 out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. One hen that's up there, a little Jan Arden hen, she's always one of the very last ones to trap. She just flies and flies and flies and flies. Come on. Come on. That's her right there. White and black one. Come on. Come on. I think these last 4 are Jan Ardens. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Get out of that tree. Come on. Here's my flower garden, still doing pretty good. But I'm getting a lot of little hummingbirds.